A young man named Mahesh lived in a quiet hill village. He was hard-working, but always preoccupied with worry. Sometimes the worry of his future, sometimes the regret of his past. Amidst these anxieties, he had almost forgotten to enjoy the present. Even while sleeping at night, he would keep thinking about the mistakes he had made in the past and what would happen in the future. Because of this, he couldn't sleep properly and felt completely exhausted the next day. One day, he was sitting in the forest, very troubled by this very issue. Then, he was thinking that because of his habit of overthinking, he was unable to do many important things in life. Just then, a saint was passing by. Then Mahesh said to the saint, "Guruji, my mind is always tangled. I don't know why I don't find peace." The saint smiled and took him along to the bank of the river flowing near the village. Upon reaching there, he gave Mahesh a small stone and said, "Throw this into this river." Mahesh threw the stone into the river. As soon as the stone fell into the water, circular ripples started forming all around. The saint said, "See, this stone is the past. No matter how much you want, the stone will not come back up. Then why do you keep picking it up and burdening your heart with it all the time in your life?" Then the saint pointed towards the flowing water of the river and said, "This water is the future, which hasn't arrived yet. If you want to catch it, you can't catch it. Then why do you make your present miserable worrying about it?" You have probably seen the things around you countless times, but try to truly feel them just once. The calm greenery of these trees, the sweet sound of the flowing river, and the dampness of this moment. Pause for a moment and think, is there really any sorrow in this moment? Sorrow is never in the present moment. Sorrow is always either hidden in the past or in the worries of the future. The present moment is always calm, sorrowless, weightless, simply entirely yours. Mahesh listened quietly. The saint placed a hand on his shoulder and said, "What you have is this very moment. The real peace and happiness of life lie in fully feeling whatever you are doing. Seize the present. This is your true strength." After that day, Mahesh started feeling the small things, the cool morning breeze, his mother's smile, the satisfaction of hard work, his family's laughter. Gradually, the restlessness inside him disappeared on its own. Now he would do every task wholeheartedly, live every moment, and a new energy came into his life. Moral of the story: the past cannot be changed. Therefore it is wise to let it go. The future has not arrived yet. Therefore worrying about it is futile. Only the present is real, and the one who lives it finds peace, happiness, and success. If you want to learn English with wisdom, please subscribe this channel.